everyone, welcome to the Hedgehog Hollow. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm super excited because we are bringing back the black and white polka dot box for our Hedgehog Hollow subscription kit. Now, if you haven't heard about our subscription kit, it is a really fun box to get in the mail every single month. Why? Because every single month is different. So you're not going to get Hedgehog Hollow products every single month. You're going to get something exclusive. Our designs are exclusive to our boxes. We work with a different company every single month. We've worked with Waffle Flower, with LDRS, with Pretty Pink Posh, with some of my favorite companies throughout the industry. We also work with some designers, so if they don't necessarily have their own stamp range yet, we will work with some of our favorite artists and designers to help them get stamp ranges in the industry so they can enter as well. So each month we work with these different companies. You're always going to have something a little bit different, and if it's something that I love, I hope that you're going to love it too. There's also no commitment, so you can sign up for 1 month, for 3 months, for 6 months if you want to, or you can just go month to month and you can cancel at any time before your renewal. So you'll renew on your anniversary, but you can cancel any point, so you can decide what you want to get. Now this month we're partnering with Art Impressions. Now because they are exclusive to our boxes, we always have limited numbers. Now in the past they've always been sold out because of the exclusivity, but we've opened up our wait list because I wanted to share it with more of you. So we have a few more available this month. So let me give you some sneak peeks of what's inside. We still have a few surprises, but I'm going to give you some hints on what's inside this one. So this is the little polka dot box you'll be getting in the mail. And let's open it up. This is our April box. So these will ship on April 1st. And inside of here, you can see, let me open up the seal. This is what's going to be inside. So first of all, you will get a postcard. This is not the postcard that will be inside. It will be a surprise. But every month we give you a hand-designed, hand-printed, hand-illustrated postcard that you can frame. You can use it in your paper crafting. I have all of the previous ones framed in the hollow. It's actually in my office. It looks really pretty with the little collage on the wall. This is one from a previous box. The theme was London, and we do have limited availability of some of our previous kits. So at thehedgehoghollow.com/shop, you can find out. This was in our La La Land box because they designed hedgehogs that were sightseeing in London. So that went with that. On the back, you'll find a message. And we also always give you exclusive coupon codes. So you get 10% off Ellen Hudson's store for the month, you get coupons at Tonic, and whichever store we are partnering with also give you savings at their store for that month. So that will, all those details will be on the back. And you get access to our exclusive Facebook group for our subscribers. So you can check all those details out. They'll be on the back of your postcard. Now this month, as I mentioned, we're partnering with Art Impressions. I do have a printout here of what you'll be getting, which is their critter cubbies. So they have designed a critter cubby just for our subscription box. This is what it looks like when you put it together, which is a birdhouse. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? You will not be able to get this critter cubby anywhere else at all. So you're going to get 2 stamp sets. You're going to get the critter cubby birdhouse with their birds, and then you're going to get the add-on leaves and flowers, plus you're going to get the dies that go with the critter cubby, so you can build all this up. And there's a sentiment that says down here, happy birthday to one of my favorite peeps. Isn't that just absolutely beautiful? Hopefully you can see all of that detail, and it's nicely in focus for you at the front there. So you can see there that beautiful critter cubby and all of the details. I mean, it's so much fun. And you also get over 30 tutorials that come with the box from our design team. They show you different ways to use it for card making, scrapbooking, DIY, lots and lots of ideas from the design team too. So another options for you. You're also going to get included in this month's box is the Nuvo Hybrid Black Shadow Ink Pad. So this is one of my favorite black inks. I like hybrid inks because you can do anything with them. So you can use your alcohol markers, you can use your watercolors, you can use colored pencils with Gamsol. You really can use anything. So I wanted to include this because Art Impressions love to use their Tombow watercolor pen. You can use this ink with it. You can also use your alcohol markers, whatever mediums you like to use with it. You're going to be able to use this ink pad and get crafting straight away with it. And then we also always include a regular subscriber bonus. Now this month that's going to be the Nuvo Midas Touch, because I think it's going to be really fun once you've coloured in your critter cubby to be able to go over the top with this Midas Touch pen. It just adds a little bit of gold shimmer, so you can add that to the wingtips of your birds, you can add it to your bird cage or your bird house. You're just going to be able to add that little bit of glitz and glamour. Now, if you sign up to one of our monthly rolling subscriptions or 3-month subscription, you'll get this in your first box. So you can get that straight away as our regular subscriber bonus, and you'll get it in every box going forward. You will get that extra bonus in your box. Also, in every single box, you will get a little bonus of some candy to be crafting along with. This is some previous box ideas of candy. Again, this is a surprise. We theme that to your box. You never know what you might get. You're also going to get a set of card bases from Art Impressions. They will come pre-packaged, but I popped some in my box. But they will come pre-packaged, pre-scored, ready to go. But I popped these in my box. They're going to be a really nice thick weight, ready to go with the critter cubby. They're going to be perfect from Art Impressions. And then the other thing that we include for your box is a set of cardstock. Again, they will be themed to the colours of your box. So I grabbed here some that we've included in previous boxes to give you an idea. We've included things such as printed acetates, pattern papers. We've also included a pattern and textured vellum in the past. We've had sparkly cardstocks like this. We've also had embossed cardstocks. You'll always have everything you need to get started and get crafting with your box. We really want you to be able to open your box and get going and be able to create projects straight away. So it's not just a set of stamps or dies. You have everything you need: card bases, cardstocks. This one we have inks and your shimmer pens. And of course you have some candy to get yourself going too. So I hope you are going to love this box just as much as I do. I know you will when you get it. And how much fun is it going to be? Those boxes are also perfect for storing your 6x6 paper in, if you saw my video the other day on storage. And do check out the Hedgehog Hollow store. There'll also be a link at the end of this video. You'll see that there's a link to the blog and you can check that out too. And also check out all of our previous boxes. Any that we have left over, we also just have limited stocks of those that we pop in the store too. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all of our future tips, tricks, tutorials, hauls, and so much more. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Happy stamping. Bye.